Hey kids, welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 1, the theater, exercise number 5. We played around with images, we played around with shapes, now we're going to play around with little sound, kids. As for most of these, choose your own adventures. No matter what you pick, the solution is pretty similar. I'm going to go to C for gaming. We're going to add music to a scene. In Music Scene Java, under the Create Scene method, we're going to add Play Sound String File Name method to play a sound. In MyTheater, we're going to instantiate a music scene object with the Game Music Wave sound file in the Asset Manager. We're going to call the Create Scene method on your music scene object. And finally, use the method Theater Play Scene to play the scene. Under our assets, we have a picture and a WAV file. And a WAV file is just a sound file, kids. We don't have much here under My Theater. Under My Scene, we just extend scene. We have one string sounds, our constructor, and then our create scene method is drawing the image game JPEG at 0, 0, and whatever the width of our theater is. And that's drawing that background we saw under our Manage Assets. And what do we have to do? Well, all we have to do, kids, is call this Play Sound method. So we're going to go Play Sound. And what sound do we want to play? Well, if you look up here, the sound file to play is our private instance variable sound. So that means ultimately we're going to be passing sound as our parameter. Now what's left is just to finish up My Theater. Well, let's head over there. First, we have to instantiate a music scene object, but with a game music wave file sound as a parameter. We have to instantiate a music scene object with a parameter game music.wave. How do we do that? Well, it's going to be of the music scene class. We'll call ours My Scene, and that's going to be equal to a new music scene. And we had to pass the parameter of game music.wave. Again, that has to be spelled exactly like it is right here. Now we just have to call that create scene method. So we're going to go My Scene and the create scene method. And then finally we have to do the theater play scene. So theater play scenes. And what scene do we want to play? My Scene. Let's go ahead and run our program and see if we can't hear something. Oh, we got an error. Looks like we have a misspelling here. Let's go back to here. That's not spelled right, kids. It should be play sound. Let's go ahead, stop and run again. And it looks like we added sound to our image. Pretty neat, kids. Key takeaway from this lesson is understanding how to use a sound file. First, you need to upload the file. Give it an easy and meaningful name to remember. Also, remember you have to have a parameter in your object to pass the file name. Finally, the method name for playing a sound is play sound, and your file name is a parameter. Don't forget your file type is included in that name. Hopefully this helped you understand how to add sound to the theater. As always, kids, if you have any questions, come see me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See you later, kids. Bye, bye, bye.